on the southern part of the summit of the rocky plateau east of Masyaf. And in the year 44 BC, the Romans built the castle, where the distinguished strategic location is on the road network linking the north, the south, the interior, and the coast. The cellars, the residential wings, and the main water reservoir were built on the level of rock base with excavation in it. These cellars date back to the first period of the history of the construction of the castle. Circular arches were used to support the vault, so it rested on the rocky shoulders from the inside and on the wall from the outside. In the middle of this rock-hewn section is a central area formed by two residential floors and a fortification area bordered by an outer wall that rises about 4 floors, so that the castle has 6 floors. After the lower floors, there are 3 floors dedicated to all forms of life, such as bathrooms, markets, and stables. The 6th and the last floor is dedicated to breeding career pigeons and training them in correspondence between the castle and its affiliated castles. The elements of the castle towers were distinguished to be square, rectangular, and polygonal, and the sizes and colors of their stones varied, which indicates the different styles and diversity of their architecture. On the 2nd and 3rd floors, the outer towers are located, where the balconies and walls contain different openings for use in defense. As for the 4th floor, it contains the inner part of the castle built during the Islamic period, and it forms a castle within the castle. It's believed that Sinan Rashid ad-Din built it, according to the Arabic Islamic writings on the walls of the 5th and 6th floors. The entrance to the castle is from the southeastern side, which is the weakest side in the rocky base, as it climbs to its entrance with a broken staircase, protected by a fortified defense tower, in the middle of which are 2 side towers and rises to 3 floors, the end of which is a balcony to protect it.